Onion 1/4 cup, egg 2 pieces, chili 4/5 piece, beans 1/3 cup, carrot 1 cup. I will check whether it is cooked by hand. If it is soft, it should be taken down. The noodles are cooked well, but not melted. Wash it with normal water. Put oil in a pan, 1.5 tablespoon. I will give the carrots. Fry for a while. I will give it with beans. Cover and bring to a boil. When it is boiled, I will add chopped onion. I will give it with pepper. Salt to taste. I took the vegetables to one side and put oil on the other side. 2 eggs. Homemade noodles masala. Recipe link is given in the description box. As much masala as there is with the noodles. It doesn't taste right. That's why I will give extra masala. I will beat the egg. When the egg and vegetables are mixed together, add the boiled noodles. Two teaspoons of my prepared masala. Mix everything well now. Mixing with a slotted spoon. The noodles will be very soft, but also crunchy. Only then it will be fun to eat. I made the video in sunlight, so it looks more yellow.